How to switch to a creator account on TikTok. Hi everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete, and now let's get started. Open TikTok on your phone. Now, an important information that you should know is that TikTok has removed the option to switch to a creator account, but the account that you are using currently is your creator account, that is your personal account. And if you tap on the hamburger icon on the top right corner, you can see the option of creator tools. Just tap on it. Now over here you'll come to creator account portal where you can see various options and you can use each of these features accordingly. So that is the facility that is related to your personal account, which is your creator account. Now if you go back to your home page and again tap on the hamburger icon, tap on settings and privacy, then you can see the option of account. So here you can see the option of switch to business account. So by doing these steps, you can switch to business account. And if you switch to business account from creator account and your personal account, you will definitely have lesser bugs. So that was all for today, and I hope this video was informative and helpful. So don't forget to like and subscribe.